Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful online resource for veteran and civilian job seekers called JobNow and VetNow, provided by BrainFuse. This online resource gives access to live interview coaching, a resume lab with expert feedback, and access to standardized practice tests. So let's take a look. To get to this resource, you first want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, you're then going to navigate to the brown research button and then click on it. Once you reach our research webpage, you're then going to scroll down to the database box and click the blue button labeled See All Databases. Once you arrive at our database webpage, you'll notice that all available databases are listed in alphabetical order. Having said this, you'll need to scroll down until you see JobNow and VetNow. Once you've found the database, then you'll click the blue words underneath the title, which says, "Click here to access." We've now arrived at the home page for the JobNow and VetNow online resource. Before I dig more in depth in reference to what resources are provided on this database, I want to give a thanks to the California State Library for providing access to this database to help both civilian and veteran job seekers. Notice, if you will, the three boxes that are located on the top of the web page, labeled Live Job Coaching, Resume Lab, and Live Veteran Navigator. When you click the Connect button for the Live Job Coach, you'll be connected to a live job coach that's available every day from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The second box, labeled Resume Lab, allows you to submit your resume, receive expert feedback, and have it returned to you within 1 business day. Be aware that to use the Resume Lab option, you'll need to create a free account through JobNow and VetNow. The third box here, labeled Live Veteran Navigator, connects you with a live expert to learn more about your VA benefits and community resources. Something to note is that the Live Veteran Navigator is available Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you contact the Live Job Coaching or the Live Veteran Navigator outside of the times I mentioned, then you'll need to submit a question, and you can do that by creating a free JobNow and VetNow account. Other tools that are available for job seekers include live resume coaching, live interview coaching, unemployment assistance, e-parachute, which is an interactive self-inventory based on the best-selling career books, What Color's Your Parachute, career and job prep resources, which allows you to read lessons, watch videos, and take tests on different levels for high school entrance exams, as well as elementary schools. If you need assistance outside of what was initially mentioned for the Live Veteran Navigator, you have 2 options to send a question, which again, as I mentioned before, you'll need to create a free account to do that, or you can click for more veteran resources. Then the last area I wanted to mention is the tools for learners. So if you see here where it says Learn Now, this will help you prepare for such tests as a GED, AP exam prep, and even nursing school exams. And it also has tests for grades 6 through 12 in reference to reading, writing, math, and science. Feel free to explore all that the JobNow and VetNow resource has to offer. And if you have any questions about this particular database or want to speak to one of the library's veteran benefit coaches, you can call us Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at 559-362-7317, or you can email us at kcl.vrc@gmail.com. Thank you and have a good day.